In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Starling Business branches and ATMs near you step by step. Now, it's essential to understand right off the bat that Starling Bank is fully digital, which means they don't have physical branches like traditional banks. However, if you're a Starling Business customer, there are still ways to manage your banking needs effectively. So, if you need to perform transactions like depositing cash and checks, you can easily do this at the post office. For withdrawing cash, you can use any ATM in the UK that supports MasterCard. Let's walk through the process to locate these facilities. To begin, you need to navigate to Starling Bank's official website. Open your preferred web browser and enter Starling Bank into the search bar, then click on the website link. Once you're on the home page, scroll down until you come across the section that says See All Starling App Features. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you to a page detailing numerous features available to Starling customers. Continue scrolling down this page and keep an eye out for the section labeled Post Office. This is where you will find guidance on utilizing post office branches for your business banking needs. Once you find the Post Office section, you'll notice an option labeled Find Your Nearest Post Office. Click on this link, which will redirect you to a page specifically dedicated to locating post offices. Upon arriving on the Post Office Finder page, scroll down until you see a search box. This is where you'll input your postcode, type in your postcode, and press enter. The search results will provide you with the details of the nearest post office branches. You'll see the addresses listed clearly, making it easier for you to plan your visit. For additional convenience, you can click on Opening Hours to view the operating days and hours of the post office locations. This ensures you don't make a trip there only to find the branch closed. Furthermore, if you need directions, there's a handy directions option available. Clicking here will link you directly to Google Maps, providing detailed directions to the branch, ensuring you get there without any confusion. And there you have it, a simple and direct way to find Starling Business branches and ATMs near you. With Starling Bank being fully digital, accessing their services might feel a bit different from what you're used to, but by using online resources and post office partnerships, you can manage your business banking needs efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope this walkthrough was helpful in demystifying how you can find service points for your Starling Business account.